here could see would we call him Stevie Nose.
You don't know what old school is, that means that all your original band members that you listen to are dead,
I lie to my husband, I do after a few years you do, you know, like for instance my husband, he thinks I'm at Target right now,
I mean, listen, at my age, if my boobs are sticking out further than my belly, I feel like I'm winning the battle.
She talking about a Spanx. You wearing the Spanx so tight your damn fart get trapped in the